Welcome to MHS, where we help bring potential to life. I'm John Clarke, CEO. For over 40 years, MHS has provided trusted, data-driven solutions across our core disciplines: healthcare, education, talent selection and development, and public safety. The foundation of MHS is our best-in-industry science: trusted, reliable, valid, proven to accurately diagnose and inform intervention and treatment, and used across the globe by educators, healthcare professionals, coaches, organizations to support better outcomes and help unlock the power and potential of people.
Hi, I'm Dr. Steven Stein. I'm a clinical psychologist and the executive chair of MHS. We started MHS back in June of 1983, and the original idea behind the company was to automate psychological testing. But our mission grew as we grew into other areas, and it became more about using psychology or psychological science to make the world a better place. So we do that by helping clinicians, for example, make more accurate diagnoses that lead to better treatments. We take it to public safety in terms of making the world a safer place by knowing which offenders may need more supervision or to be watched over more carefully than other ones. We look at the workplace by having tools that help leaders lead better, to be more successful, because we've done the research that shows when leaders lead better, teams are more effective. In the area of giftedness, our science helps those kids come out of the classrooms where they may be bored or not getting anything out of them, to give them a more enriched environment to really help them reach their potential and develop as human beings. Overall, we're all about taking the science of psychology through measurement and using that to predict behaviors that can help us make lives better for people.
My name is Jenni Pitkanen. I'm the Chief Product Officer, so I lead our scientific and instructional design teams to do all of the product development in collaboration with my peers at the executive team. So our goal here is very clear. Fairness is one of our key strategic pillars. Our tests can really be gateways to some life-changing opportunities: mental health treatments, learning supports, job opportunities, coaching. We are very committed and focused on ensuring that all of our tests are fair for everyone so that we can open up opportunities for everyone. We have a very thorough product development process to really ensure the scientific rigor of all of our assessments. And we work very closely with the test authors on many of our tools. And our test authors are all experts in their respective fields. We continually and regularly review the kinds of updates that we may need to make to our tools to make sure that they are reflective of current research and customer needs.
Hi, Mike Sparling. I'm the Chief Operating Officer and Chief Technology Officer for Multi-Health Systems. When I first arrived at MHS back in 2018, one of the first things that I set forth doing was establishing the core foundation of the actions we took in the digital realm. We established the fact that we were going to focus on 4 key mantra: that we would commit to being scalable, available, secure, and reliable. And those really meant to us that we were able to deliver a trustful solution to our customers anywhere, anytime that they chose to engage with us through the channels that they wanted to engage with. And at the foundation of that, trust and digital security were crucial. Particularly in a digital world, we have to focus on making sure that trust is a key foundation of the actions that we undertake. Digital innovation is only accelerating and becoming a faster and more dynamic space to operate in. But in our core science, we have to be very careful because we can't be kind of right. We actually have to be accurate every time that we're executed. And so while we do use advanced digital techniques, advanced artificial intelligence practices, and many other things, we always focus on a science-first approach, which is the thing that differentiates us in our markets and the places that we operate.
At MHS, we strive to help create a world that is more empathetic, inclusive, and productive, complementing fundamental shifts underway in how society supports and enables its members to live healthy, fulfilling lives. Join us on a journey to empower potential and build a better future. MHS, where science meets success.